Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a top hung window with some variation. Okay, first of all, we have to select the um, rotated rectangle, and then we can click in this point, and then we can drag to the another side, 2.4 meter. Then we can move the cursor to the behind direction around 120 millimeter for the frame depth of this of its window. So then we have to push it up. We have to push it up around 2 meter only. Okay, so for the height of the window, it's depend on your design or depend on your taste. So and in this area, you have to click this plane and we can offset it inside around 40 millimeter. Okay, so we can click this plane and then we can push it to the limit so we can get the basic frame of the window. Then don't forget to triple click this window, right click and also make group. And then we have to triple click this plane. Then we can select copy, edit, copy. You can see the tools, edit, copy. Okay, then you can exit from this group. Then we can paste it with the same place before by select edit and paste in place. Okay, then we can get the uh, plane on the correct place according to the previous position. So we can select a move and select this point. Then we can click this one. We can click this one. Okay, and then we can select a push and drag to the another side with we can type it 40. Okay, then with triple click, right click and make group, and then we can select a move and we can place on the midpoint of the group. Okay, so we can make the top hung window on this left side by using a rectangle by click this point until this point by diagonal movement or diagonal direction. Then we can click this plane and offset it inside around 60 millimeter. And then we can click, right click and erase. Then we can click and push it to the behind around 40 millimeter. Triple click, right click and make group. And also we can make the glass with using a rectangle. Okay, then we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up. Triple click, right click and make group, and then we can using the another material. Okay, we can assign with the material. Okay, and we can also triple click and offset this edge of the window inside by using the offset it inside around 5 millimeter. Then we can push it to the back around 5 millimeter also. Okay, so then we can get the result. And if you want to make the another detail of this um, window frame or the with a window lift frame, you can triple click in here. We can select for the necessary line. You can select the necessary line. We can offset it outside. I'm sorry. We can offset it outside around 5 millimeter, and then you can push it to the back around 5 millimeter also. So you can get about the detail 3D modeling of the window. So it would be impact for your rendering for the further step of 3D modeling and rendering and also visualize your um, building modeling or house modeling. Okay, and after that you can also make the another variation of this frame on the right side lift window lift, and then you can use a rotated rectangle. Start from here, click this one, and then you can click 35 millimeter. Then you can push it to the another side. Triple click, right click, and make group. And also you can move it just a little bit to the bottom and just move it to the position. And then you can make the glass panel. You can make the glass panel, and then you can place on this position. And triple click, right click, and also make group. Okay, so then we can using the glass material on this position. Okay, and also you can make some variation of this window with your creativity, and you can try to develop your skill for 3D modeling in by your own SketchUp. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.